Today in this video we will learn how to create and export transparent video in Premiere Pro. So let's start. We will create an animated design with text and some PNG images. Now select all media layers from timeline and then click on right button. Click on next. Click OK button. So as you can see, I have created a simple animated video with text and image. Now we will export this video. Click on the File menu from the menu bar. Go to Export. Click on Media. Enter the name of your video from the file name. Select the folder to save your video from location. Now click on the Format drop-down box. Select the QuickTime video format. Now click on the Preset drop-down box. Click on More Preset. Go to All Preset. Here type RGB in the search box. Scroll down. Select GoPro Cineform RGB 12-bit with alpha at maximum bit depth. Click on the OK button. Then click on the Export button. You can see that the video is rendering. So this is our exported transparent video. Now we will test the transparent video to see if it is working or not. Here already we have taken a background video in the Premiere Pro. Now drag your transparent video and drop it on the Premiere Pro timeline. Well, now done. Play the transparent video and check it. Well, thanks for watching the video.